This is homework, chapter 7, YouTube homework. So the question was to draw the drunk person and track their steps. And the student collected data on how the drunk person moved. So the first thing I did was to import a turtle, then to set up the turtle screen and call my turtle Alex. Then I did a function so I can see how the person moves. So I took counterclockwise as positive, which is left. I took the positive as left and the negative as right. Then every time the drunk person turns into a positive direction, I tell Alex to move left, and every time the drunk person turns into a negative direction, then I told Alex to turn right. So I wanted to show I set up this, then I wanted the drunk person to repeat what he did 10 times, so I put it in a for loop, and that's what I got. And let's see by running this. So this is the first thing he did, and the others are the same thing, repeating it over and over again 10 times.